else can I meet? Hey, Trollji. What do you want from me now, Leafy? Just to tell you that I have something to show you. What do you want to show me? You will see. I will be getting anyone around. Anyways, let me just take a nice chill. Finally, to take a nice rest on a beautiful day. What was that noise? Let me just go and see who's making that noise. Who's making that noise? What is that? What is that living thing doing in here? It's an elephant bird. An elephant bird? Who else thinks that there is an elephant bird in it? Well, we gotta find out. Hey, elephant bird! I have something to tell you. You wanna get hit? Well, you might think you're going anywhere else. Move right now! I mean it! Ow! Oof! What was that for? Why do you have that elephant bird with you? Because I have this as my pet. Don't do it, you can't keep this as your pet. Do something. Huh? Oh no, I think I'm gonna have to stop that. Not for long. Come here. Wanna get up with me? Get down. Let me fight with you, elephant bird, and you look like an emu. Alright, let's get this on. Be prepared to be fought. Yourself now, Mr. Elephant Bird. Right, take this. Yeah! Come and get it now, Mr. Elephant Bird. Yeah! There, that's what you get for doing something very wrong. Now time to go meet. Alright guys, I have beaten the elephant bird. Now he's gone. Yes, we did it! Now he's dead for the rest of his lives. Yeah, well, let's go outside and have fun. Yeah, let's go. Yeah!